The power of mulching. As you can see, this piece of land, I barely put any mulch there, just a little bit near the lettuce and some plants. I didn't have enough, by the way. I didn't have time to go and get the wood chips. So you see the places where I mulch, everything is coming out nicely. But the places where no mulch, the land is dry, kind of dead. It's kind of sad to see that because it's my fault. I should have gotten more mulch, but I got some. So as you can see, I'm spreading it. It's kind of hard with the one hand holding the camera to kind of throw the mulch, but so it's really kind of bad, and unfortunately it's not really that great, the way I'm trying to distribute it. But at the end of the day, it's not hard to put it. These are taro leaves, so I'm just putting mulch around it, and you will see in the video as it goes how the mulch look. I dropped the bag and all the mulch fell, and now I'm just going to take it and put it everywhere. My strawberries, they already have some mulch, but I put some more. But I have another bag, so I'll do a following video on this. But this just gives you. Also, I took a chance to do some harvest. Took out some lettuce. Look how beautiful are the lettuce. By the way, no chemicals added, not even chemical fertilizers, only the power of the soil, mulching and compost. And I think one animal took out one of my plants, so I'm putting it back. It's not that hard, but hard with the left hand while holding the camera. So that's how it is, and we cannot do much except mulching. So enjoy the video. If you want more, please put it in the comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.